Hey everyone, my name is Matt. Welcome to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate the support. If you're a new viewer and haven't been to my channel, I hope that you enjoy the video enough where you like it and then subscribe to the channel. I will be trying to make more and more content as the weeks progress. I'm trying to make a video once a week, but I'm also doing full-time school and full-time work, so it's definitely hard to kind of stay on track with that. But in today's video, I'm going to be taking off the wall panels in the LMTV military truck. So I got a tool at AutoZone for $11 to make that easier for me. Once I take those panels off, then I soundproof the area and then I soundproof the doors, which in the previous video, I took the door handles off and replaced them and rekeyed them. So I still didn't put back the wall panels. This video, I just put soundproofing there, and hope you guys enjoy the video.
All done.
I do have another video coming up next where I'm actually upholstering the door panels that I took off with a nice leather material. That video will be soon to follow. And then this next week, I am taking about a week off, and hopefully I'm going to be able to figure out how to take this crane off this military truck. So if you guys are interested in that, that video will soon be available once I get the work done and then edit the video.